Well, hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. We're out here at the Avon Park Field. We're going to take up the 80mm Dassault Rafale. Big shout out to Hobby Zone for sending this out to me for review. And this will be a maiden with a modification in that, if you look in the back, I have glued in the exhaust nozzles off of RC Geek. I'm also running a 4300 roaring top, pushed back a little bit more than what I normally would to give her a little bit lighter nose. CG still good. Right, left, up, down, right, left. All right, I've already tested the gear, but I want to see how she performs with these new nozzles. All right. Because you're supposed to get a lot more thrust and a lot more power with these nozzles. All right, and that's something that I felt like she needed. Like she was powerful enough to get going, but she was lacking just a little bit. All right, right, left, down, right, left. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh yeah. Definitely got plenty of power. Oh man, yeah, definitely. RC Geek, thank you so much. Thank you, RC Geek. Now let's see how her high alpha is. I mean, this thing is a high alpha machine.
Gear down.
Well, you want to talk about one sweet flying jet. Well, she is. Oh man.
Landing flaps.
Yeah. Yeah, she is a sweet flying jet.
Flaps up.
We might actually try their flaps, the settings this time. Now this definitely is a jet you want to bring in high alpha, because you don't really, the flaps are meant, the flap mixing that's by factory default that you have no control over is a crow setting, and you lose an awful lot of your aileron authority. So for that reason, they suggest that you use the crow settings whenever, as soon as you've landed, and it'll help slow down your rollout. So here we go. Oh yeah, she's got no problem getting up off the deck now. Of course, I am running a slightly lighter battery than before. I do have it pushed back a little bit. Oh man, that immediate punch.
Gear down.
Man, what a sweet flying jet. I tell you what though, you get that gear down, she slows down quick. She does. It's like an immediate speed brake.
Landing flaps.
Whoa!
Flaps up.
Oh man, that was bad. Yeah, I broke off a bunch of crap then.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Yeah. Yeah, I got problems. And probably the best landing of my life so far with her. Oh, goodness gracious. What all did I break off?
Prop secured.
Oh man, did I mess it up. Woo! Man, that's the gear. That's the gear trying to come back up. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Actually, that is not that bad. Okay. That's not that bad. That is a very clean brake. Okay. So I can epoxy that back in. The cowl just came off. I'm not real sure what all this is. I don't think that's part of my plane there. All right, hold on. Let's see what kind of damage we've got here. All right, I've lost the nose cone and the pitot tube. Okay, but she's actually in good shape. Okay, I lost my, okay, all right. We're gonna have to pick all this up. All right, so I've lost the gear doors on the front. The pins are still in, so that's just popped off. The pitot tube is not broken there, and that's where it breaks, so that just popped off. Nose cone is not damaged at all. Okay. All right, so let's do a quick assessment. First of all, let me set the battery, or set the, all right, undid the battery. All right, so let's look at this. Okay, I've lost the gear door here. Okay, that is not broken. Okay, it's not broken. That can be popped back in. Okay, the pitot tube is not broken. The nose cone is not broken. Okay, back down here, I'm actually quite pleased as far as not breaking. And these parts here on the field are not part of my plane. That's not part of my plane. And the canopy came off. So all I really need to do is glue the epoxy in that rear gear and make sure it works okay. But other than that, I think we're okay. And that last landing was great. All right, well, I think I was just so excited to come out here and fly. I've got my head way up my butt, otherwise known as anal cranial inversion. But we'll get it all fixed and get her back in the air. All right, folks, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's not really bad. That's just the gear door. Gotta glue the one gear, or the one retract back in. My nozzles did great, absolutely wonderfully. And I'm surprised the nose cone didn't get crunched, but as long as the gear works okay, I'll be all right. And I think it's going to be fine. We'll do a follow-up video, but I think we're going to be just fine. All right, folks, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends. And a big shout out to Hobby Zone. I'm sorry I hurt your plane, but I'll get her all back together and flying again. Bye-bye. Real quick on the Rafale. Look, watch the gear.
Safe mode.
All right.
AS3X mode. Gear up.
Gear up. That one door doesn't want to close.
Gear down.
But see, it just may be bound, and I can just replace that servo. Or if I can't fix the servo, all I gotta do is replace that servo. But other than that,
Gear up.
the main gear itself works fine.
Gear down.
See? All right. So So I just want to follow up. So basically it looks like just that one gear door servo. So replace that. In worst case scenario, I got servos at home. So, you know, little couple of cuts and bruises. Now she'll fly even better because she's got some damage. Bye, y'all.